Nice math Olympiad factorial question here that says 2x plus 4 whole factorial is equal to 120. What is the value of x? So here what we're going to do is just write it 2x plus 4 factorial is equal to 120 can be written as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Now if you see, just multiply and check. 5 times 4 is 20 times 3 times 2 is 6. So 20 times 6 gives you 120. Now we have this 2x plus 4 factorial. So I'm going to write that 2x plus 4 factorial is equal to the whole thing. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is equal to 5 factorial. Now as x factorial is a strictly increasing function and thus an injective function, that's why if 2x plus 4 factorial is equal to 5 factorial, this binomial and 5 must be equivalent. So we can equate them. Factorials gets cancelled. So therefore we have 2x plus 4 equals to 5. And 2x is equal to 5 minus 4. And x is equal to 2x is equal to 1. X is equal to half. Divide both sides by 2. So x is equal to half. So therefore x is equal to 0.5. Now if we want to check if our answer is right or not, to check, let's put it back in the question. 2x plus 4 factorial is equal to 120. Let's put the value of x, that is 2 times 0.5 plus 4 factorial is equal to 120. So you have 2 times 0.5 is 1 plus 4 factorial is equal to 120. That is equal to 5 factorial is equal to 120, and that's true. So x is equal to 0.5, that is half, is absolutely right.